Hello, I am ChessChuck. I'm glad to see you here. In today's lesson, we will be learning about how to properly defend your pieces so you can win the chess game. Think of yourself as a chess general, commanding an army of warriors on a checkered battlefield. Your primary responsibility is to ensure that your troops are well protected before the battle against your opponent's army. Unprotected pieces are sitting ducks for your opponent's attacks. If you don't defend them, they can be captured, giving your opponent a material advantage. You need to learn how to avoid capture and either protect your pieces or run away from danger. How to avoid capture. So your piece is under attack. What do? One solution is to run away. Here is an example of how to run away from an attack. To make things simple, in all positions, white moves first. So the white rook is in grave danger. It is about to be captured by the evil black bishop. The best move in this position is to move the rook to c2 and run away from danger, while threatening to capture the bishop. In this position, the rook is again under attack and only has two possible moves, b1 and c1. If the rook moves to b1, then the light square bishop will capture it. Therefore, the only safe place for the rook is c1. The rook safely got away from the two attacking bishops. You can also defend your pieces from an attack. In this position, the white knight is dangerously close to being captured by the black rook. By moving the pawn to f4, the white player defends his knight, and daring his opponent to take it with the rook. And if the rook captures the knight, the pawn is going to capture the rook, thus gaining 2 points in this bloody battle. Wow, check out this position. The evil queen is attacking all three white pieces. What does one do? The only way to save all of them is to move the knight to e2, and all three pieces live on to continue to fight. In this position, we have a black queen attacking two white pieces. There is no way to save both of them, but there is a way to attack a more valuable opponent's piece by moving white bishop to d3. And if a queen captures the knight, then white bishop will capture a more valuable rook. Remember, sometimes a good defense is a great offense. In some situations, you can move a piece between the attacking piece and the defending piece. Here, the queen is attacking three white pieces, the rook, the bishop, and the knight. By moving the knight to e4, the white knight runs away from danger, defends the rook, and inserts himself between the queen and the bishop, thereby protecting the bishop from the queen. Sometimes, defending pieces can be very tricky, and only a genius move can save you. In this position, black moved his pawn up 2 squares and attacked both, the white bishop and knight at the same time. There seems to be no way to defend both pieces. But white has a tricky en passant to get out of danger. Oh no, the evil queen is at it again, attacking 3 white pieces. Only the clever ones will find a defense. Can you do it? That's right. You simply castle and all 3 pieces are now protected. I hope you learned the importance of keeping your pieces on the board, or as I like to call it, on the battlefield, rather than losing them. If you lose many pieces, you may lose the game. I always say, protect your pieces well, and you will have a good chance of winning the game. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a like and click subscribe. See you next time.